The Thor, Love and Thunder actress was ready to make a splash in her blue swimsuit. At the beach, she shared a sweet smooch with her husband. Talk about fun in the sun. Natalie Portman, 40, looked stunning as ever as she enjoyed a cool beach day in the Sydney, Australia suburb of Bronte on Wednesday, February 23. The Black Swan actress was sporty chic during the beach outing with husband Benjamin Millepied, 44, which you can see here. There, she donned a blue and white two-piece swimsuit that was as supportive as it was stylish. The two-piece cut helped highlight the Oscar winner's toned tummy and legs, while the backside of Natalie's number bared the name of the Bondi Icebergs, a nearby winter swimming club. She teamed the look with a LA Dodgers hat to fend off the sun. The Israel-born beauty took a walk across the sand while her French choreographer Love took a dip in the ocean, revealing his lithe, dancer's figure. After strolling around the shore, Natalie came up to her husband of a decade and gave him a tender kiss. It looked like a rare couple's outing for the pair, who appeared to be without son Olive, 10, or daughter Amalia, 5. Natalie and family are back in Australia after jetting out of the country in August 2021 ahead of new lockdown rules. Before that, they had been living in Sydney since September 2020 to film Thor, Love and Thunder, and even appeared to be considering a permanent move when they were spotted checking out homes in the area, according to Page 6. They appear to have returned by Sunday, February 20, 2022, when the family was spotted at a Bronte Beach children's party. Related gallery. Celebrities wearing bikinis, see pics of Delilah Hamlin, Hailey Baldwin and more. The star seems to be enjoying some downtime ahead of the release of Thor, Love and Thunder, which is currently slated for a July 8, 2022 release. The film will be part of the fourth phase of the Marvel Cinematic Universe and will follow Natalie's character Jane Foster as she takes on the mantle and powers of Thor. The movie also features the talents of OG Thor Chris Hemsworth, Tessa Thompson, Christian Bale, Chris Pratt, Vin Diesel, and more.